Now we are going to discuss the LCM of factorials. So there is a problem like LCM of 11 factorial and 10 factorial, which is pretty interesting to know and very important to know because it helps you solve many difficult problems. So first of all, to find the LCM of any given factorials, so suppose we have to find the LCM of 9, 10 factorial and 11 factorial. So the LCM of these factorials would be the biggest number or highest factorial, whatever it is given. So here it is 11 factorial. So the LCM is simply 11 factorial. How it works is very simple to understand. So for example, we write 11 factorial, which is, suppose we just first jot down all these factorials here, 9 factorial. So we have to actually write in a factor form, like we factor all these given terms in a way that at least we have some common grounds to find the LCM, because LCM is least common multiple. So for example, 11 factorial can be written as 11 into 10 into 9 factorial, and 10 factorial can be written as 10 into 9 factorial, and 9 factorial is already given here. So as you see, in all these terms now we have 9 factorial common. So what is LCM actually? We find the common in the factors. So first one will be 9 factorial. Now what else is we have to write in LCM? Whatever other terms are there can be multiplied, but we don't repeat the terms. So if we have to find the LCM of like whatever other numbers are there, 10 is there, so it is 2 times, but we'll write only 1 time. And then we have 11 given 1 time, so we'll write 11. So this is the actually rule of LCM. In LCM, first we write the common terms in all the common numbers in all the 3 terms, which is our 9 factorial, and then we see what else is there. We never repeat it. If it is given 2 times, we are not going to write in LCM 2 times. We'll simply take 1 time, and 11 is only written 1 time, so we simply write it. So what is 9 factorial into 10 into 11, which is simply, you see that 9 factorial is already there, so if it is multiplied by 10, it becomes 10 factorial here, and if this 10 factorial is multiplied by 11, it becomes 11 factorial here. So finally the product is 11 factorial, and that is our LCM. Now why do we want to learn this? Why it is so important? Let's see. Suppose we take one question which will help us understand the importance of factorial. So our question is 1 by 9 factorial plus 1 by 10 factorial is equal to x by 11 factorial. And here we have to find the value of x. In this question, as you see here, it is a kind of addition of fraction addition, or addition of mixed numbers. So in this kind of situation, what do? We have to find the LCM of the denominator. That's why this LCM of factors will help, because we have factors in the denominator, right? So as I told you in the previous section, that when we find the LCM of these numbers, what do? We find the biggest factorial, and that is the LCM of this factorial. So what is the LCM of 9 factorial, 10 factorial and 11 factorial? It is 11. Now if the LCM is given, so if we multiply throughout this number by 11 factorial on the left hand side as well as on the right hand side, what do we get? So this will throughout be multiplied by 11 factorial, just to make it simple. So 11 factorial by 9 factorial plus the second term 11 factorial by 10 factorial, and then here it is x multiplied by 11 factorial divided by 11 factorial, as you can see here. So I throughout multiply it by 11 factorial, which can be written as, this 11 factorial can be written as 11 into 10 into 9 factorial by 9 factorial, plus this 11 factorial can be written as 11 into 10 factorial by 10 factorial, is equal to, this factorial will be cancelled because it is 11 factorial by 11 factorial, so simply we'll have x. Now here we can cancel out the factorials, we can cancel out these two as well. So what are we left with then? 11 into 10 is 110, plus we have 11 here, so the answer is 121. So you can see that how finding the LCM of the factorial helps us to solve complex problems. I hope you understood the video. If you have any problem, please come back to me. I'll help you throughout. So what you can do, you can just write your problems in the comment section. Thank you.